Now, you might ask me, why is grow generation up? Well, because planting is a huge thing. And yesterday, the indoor farming app harvest was up like something like 40–50% last night. So from about 25, it rallied to as high as $38. So I think it was a no-brainer that people were really thinking that, hey, if you're gonna pay 50% higher for app harvest, here's what Awesome 10x believes. Take a look at Agrify. What does Agrify do? I'm gonna go to the chart for you. Okay, not the chart. I looked at the chart. $12 below, it's a buy. Agrify, this is the website. It's agriculture, it's cannabis and hemp, the future of growth. So Agrify says that we use data science, technology, bringing forward the future of plant production. We empower a generation of modern growers. These are farmers that are using science to market and meet the future's needs. We can do higher yield, consistency, and quality. So they can do everything from lettuce, tomatoes, or even cannabis. We aspire to support horticulturalists worldwide with a revolutionary indoor agriculture solution said by Raymond Nobu Chang. He's the CEO. So let's take a look at Raymond. Raymond Nobu Chang. Is he a Chinese or is that just a last name? Not trying to be racist here, but so he's a Chinese American, Greater Boston area. Nobu Chang is a serial entrepreneur. He is the CEO and founder of Agrify in 2014 to 2019. Says here that he was the founder and managing director of Next. Let's see. So this is Raymond Nobu Chang. So an entrepreneur, he's a Yale, he's a Harvard, and Nobu. About me, you can read more about him. We are committed to a better future. A better future means an intentional and inclusive present. So I think that people have to realize that the bigger question is, how could we feed the world, guys? How could we feed the world? And in my view, Awesome 10x believes that the way to feed the world is through farming and planting. So you need a lot of indoor farming. So it really is a secular trend for grow generation, a secular trend for your hydro farm, HYFM. I like HYFM, to be honest, but I just found it expensive. But I guess everything is always expensive anyway. So 44 is now 79. I think that people are not taking a look at Agrify. This is actually a buy for me. So all the way $11 today, all the way down, it's a buy. The IPO of Agrify is... Agrify IPO was $54 million at a price of $10. So here is now $10. What's the price? $10.92. So you're paying 9% higher on the IPO price. I think that is a good company to take into. This is a Massachusetts tech company going public. I like this company. Study it. Raymond Nobu Chang. It says here that he's an early stage fund. So he was a venture capitalist, apparently, in Boston. He is an adjunct professor of entrepreneurship at Yale Management and Babson College. So he's a teacher, professor. He founded Giga Media, which is the first broadband internet company in Asia. Giga Media received $35 million from Microsoft, and it even went public on NASDAQ, raising $280 million, one of the largest IPOs for internet company prior to 2000. He founded Lucky Pie, which is a leading TV shopping company in China. He also raised venture financing from Lightspeed Venture Partners. Is this related to LSPD, like the Lightspeed POS, which is the Shopify of Canada? Yeah, I guess so. DT Capital, Intel, Lehman Brothers, and Goldman Sachs. He also he sold his Lucky Pie to Lotte Home Shopping for $160 million. He served as the CEO of New Focus Auto, the largest after-sales automobile company dual listed in Hong Kong and Taiwan, $1 billion market cap. He completed a $160 million investment from CDH Capital. Raymond was selected by Fortune as one of the 25 next-gen global leaders under 40 years old. Wow, so he's very young. But that was when? 2013. So now he's what, 47? Or I mean, I'm not sure what age he was then. So assuming he was 39 plus 7, maximum he's 46 years old. All right. So he was also featured as a panel speaker. Oh, la, 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 la. Okay, I get it. So